In this tutorial, we will learn that how to make or how to cut the solid by slice tools. So this is a surface which is converted into the solid. This is the 3D solids. So I will show you that like this conceptual. It was like that. So I want to remove the part of this area and I want to keep remain this outside part of this 3D solids. So how to cut or how to slice this, we will see in this. Uh, First, hide the selected object. Now I will copy this CO and first front. Okay. Okay. Now we have this. So what will it do? First extrude and node only surface, not a solid. So select this and select this, but before this you have to take an offset like this. Uh, so we will take 1.5 outside of this. Uh, yeah, go to in a 3D view and ext extrude mode surface. Okay, so we will take and extrude this. You can see. Okay, so continue. Yeah, like this. Okay, we have this. If we rotate like that, hmm, what we'll do? So we'll command slice and select object to slice. Okay, enter. Now surface. So this is surface. So we select this and keep both sides. So if I remove this and I remove this, so you can see this is the part of cut and we will bring the hide object. So we can keep like this. You can see the easy limb. And now we will go to the top and the 2D. So like this. So I think you understood. This is the conceptual like that. Perfect.